is Tuesday, May 25. So today's agenda, we are heading to Angkong's house. Of course, we're gonna be visiting him. Shob is so happy when she's there kasi ang daming animals. My cats, my dogs, my hedgehog, my parrots, my fish, which I'll show you guys later. Tapos ako naman, magpipicture-picture ako kasi I have some deliverables for a couple of brands. So, I'm prepared. Nakaayos pa ako. Sabi nga ni auntie kanina, saan ka pupunta? And I was just like, wala, Angkong's house lang. Pero may mga dala akong damit, which I'll show you guys. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll show you guys yung mga dadalhin ko. Look at my stuff naman, guys. Kala mo kung saan pupunta. May picture lang ako, but I have some of my accessories. Yan. And then some of my shoes, my outfits, my bags, laptop charger. I have more case to fight because I have to take picture for their Mickey Mouse collab or Disney collab drop 3. So, sobrang cute niyan. And then my laptop, I'm gonna be bringing this. Papasok ko na lang siya dyan, guys. And my bag for today, my Palm Springs.
Thank you!
What's that, Kaylee? Open it!
Wow!
What's that? Show the vlog. What's that? Show the vlog, Kiki. Show vlog. What did you get?
Minion!
You like it?
Papa, I like it too.
Say thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
So we got McDo, guys. Hi guys, updates. We're in Angkong's house and I'm sweating. It's so hot. But we're with Loki, the newest addition to the family. So Loki's a tricolor corgi and he's about almost 4 months na. Yan. Late pa siya. Yay, cutie! Hi to the vlog. Yan. And then, Loki's wife, we're claiming it, is Lucy. I'm not sure if you guys have seen her. Yeah, you've seen Lucy. She's been with us for a long time na. She's so big and she's overweight, you guys. She's so heavy. So yeah, Lucy was her first corgi. And then, of course, we brought Bailey. Where's this? Is Bailey? Oh no, this is Kiwi. Kiwi! That's Kiwi sa palm. Super duper tanda niya nan, guys. Mga 13, 14 years old siguro. Kiwi! Ayaw niya tumingin, but yeah, that's Kiwi. And then, who else? This is Bailey, of course. We brought Bailey with us. And then, we have Rigbo over here. The only cat at home. Ay, hindi. There's another cat, pero, yeah. Hindi kami close yan kasi di ako mahilig sa cats. And here we have Uncle Mike's hedgehog. Where's the hedgehog, Kiki? Nasa tube, guys. Di makita. You like hedgehog, Kiki? Labas mo, Uncle. Ano name yan?
Spike.
Spike? Oh my gosh. Show mo. Hello, Spike! Kiki, go!
Oh yeah, hold mo. Yan oh.
Kiki, carry mo, Spike! Pat mo. Are you scared?
I'm scared.
Why? Why are you scared? Why? Kiki! Are you scared? Why?
Oh, he will jump oh.
Kiki, go get mo. Whoa! Wow!
I'm gonna smile mo. Smile.
That's my
Smile! Oh, si Kiki dat mag-vlog. Hi, guys!
Hi, guys.
Admit ako. Sabihin mo, go!
Yaya, say hi.
Ay, apil man sa kunin mo, oy. Wag na, Yaya.
This is Rio. Hi, Rio. Say hi to the vlog. Oh my gosh! Grabe guys, look at Rio. Sobrang laki. Anong kind of party, Rio, Uncle?
blue and gold.
Blue and gold Macau. Yan. Yan. She's medyo masungit. So, medyo scared ako sa kanya. Tsaka ang laki niya, guys. Oh my gosh. Ito naman. Yan. Best friend sila ni Uncle Mike, oh. Super sanay na. Hello! Hi, Rio!
Hello.
Say hello!
Hello.
Oh my gosh! KK, look at Rio! And then this one, guys, is Percy.
Percy, come.
Percy is what naman, Uncle? Anong para si Percy?
Sulfur.
Sulfur Kakatu. Yan. Basta si Percy mabait siya. Oh my gosh, Rio naman. Si Percy chill lang siya. Ganyan lang siya. Hi guys, update. It's now 2 p.m. and wala, we've just been chilling here at Angkong's house now since it's not that hot as compared to kanina. Magpipicture na ako. So I'm just gonna put lip gloss. I'm using this one from Issy & Co. in the shade Love Boat. I'll leave the link down below. So if I don't use the one I have from Fenty, I use this one. So ayan. It's a new product of theirs if I'm not mistaken. Now I'm debating if I should wear this or this sunglasses. So it looks like this. Parang dupe ng Gentle Monster. And then ito. Both of these are from Lazada lang guys. Siguro go for this one. Parang mas bagay ata siya sa akin. So we're gonna be taking pictures in this area and then siguro dun din sa plain wall. Sakto, lumabas sila so wala yung isang car. So yeah, this is my first outfit. And then, Yaya's gonna take my pictures. Hi guys, so we're wearing the second outfit na. Same jeans lang from Shein. This top is from Shopee, link down below. As well as my super duper cute M&M's NASCAR cap. And then my accessory, this one is from an Instagram shop. I'll put it right here. Go check them out. Super cute. And then my lucky green clip there. So this is my third outfit na. Grabe. It's like 4 p.m. na. Nag-chill lang ako after nung second outfit because wala. It was so draining. Ang init din kasi. So now it's mga 4 p.m. Di na ganun ka-init. Kasi wala ng araw. And I'm currently struggling. Yan. Talagay ko na yung necklace ko. Super cute. It's personalized. It says Lexy. And this is just my outfit. Sweater. And then black jeans from Shein. And then my beat-up Air Force Ones. And then my orange bag from Shopee. Shopee ata or Lazada. Link down below. So we'll take pictures here because orange. Go!
Better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even know, but baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. How we are now.
Hi guys, it is the next day. It is May 26th, Wednesday. So for today, it's gonna be a work day. If you guys didn't know, I do have a small business, Art Manila, on Instagram. I'll leave the link down below in case you guys want to follow me. Please do if you guys aren't following me yet, just to support my business. So siguro for the past few weeks, I've been sold out. Like I could barely sell anything kasi lahat ng stocks ko, it was on hold. Hindi siya on hold eh. Parang na-stock siya dun sa embroiderer ko. I had some issues with her. But Hi guys! So it is the next day. It's Wednesday, May 26th. So Hi guys! So it is the next day, Wednesday, May 26th. So we are here in my work area. So if you guys don't know, I do have a small business, Art Manila. I haven't been talking about it recently because siguro for the past few weeks, as in wala akong mabenta guys because lahat ng stocks ko na-hold siya sa embroiderer ko. And we had a little bit of issues. So finally, today lang nakarating yung first batch. Actually, that my second batch pa ako ipapadala para mapa-embroider. Pero hindi ko pa siya nagagawa because yung nakakadating lang ng first batch. So I wanted to wait for this batch to arrive muna just to make sure na wala pang, like, hindi lumaki pa yung issue ko with her. Kasi, I don't know, like, for some reason, she wasn't replying to me for, like, quite some time. And I had to bug her and stuff. So I'm still thinking if I should use the same embroiderer or change. So yeah, anyways, the first batch arrived today. This is 77 pieces of different items. I have restocks of my sweats and new items. So we're gonna be dealing with that today. We have to work on some cash on delivery orders and just segregate the stuff and probably take pictures, or baka tomorrow na yun. We'll see what we're gonna be doing today. So yeah. delivery orders. So, gumawa ako ng bagong spreadsheets kasi, diba, nawalan ako ng orders for a couple of weeks kasi wala nga akong mabenta. Pero itong mga to, guys, iniiwan ko talaga yan for PR, pag may bagong influencers or content creators na gusto kong sendan. Meron akong stocks pang send, so hindi na yan pang sell. And yeah, so anyways, I'll start off with Annie's order. She actually ordered this last week. She ordered this one, guys, my mini, pink, ano ba to? Neon pink mini jelly tote bag. So, this is like a summer release of ARC. Actually, parang 2 stocks na lang natira. Isang ganito, tapos isang yung yellow na malaking tote bag. So, if you guys wanna order, message na ako na yun.
Maybe someday when I've grown older.
Update you guys, so I'm done with all my work stuff. Tomorrow again is another day. You guys will see me do production work. So we're gonna tie-dye and bleach some shirts. And yeah, for now, may dalawang package na dumating. So let's open it up. So first is from an Instagram shop. And I don't even remember yung mga pinag-order ko, guys. So let's see what this one is. Cute ang packaging niya. And it's a shirt. Ooh, okay. It's a Travis Scott bootleg shirt. It's so cute. Yan. Next is another online purchase. So I got another black shirt. So it's just a graphic t-shirt. And then this one is Donald Duck and it just says bleep. Super cute. So yeah, I think I got this shirt from them as well, if I'm not mistaken, or from the Travis Scott seller. I'm not quite sure, but I'll put the Instagram handle over here. Thank you so much for this freebie na shirt. They gave this for free. Sobrang cute. And I love oh, sorry. I'm wearing shorts by the way, but I love shirts like these. Parang lang siyang dress. So yeah. Anyways, it's just gonna be a chill day today. I'll just probably vlog again tomorrow pag may ganapin nga sa pag-tie-dye and bleach. So you guys will see how I do my production days. So yeah, see you tomorrow.